As Kansas faced 3rd and 24 in Sooner territory, Ashunde Smith showed that there's still a place in this game for a little man with a big heart.
Rolls out to the right, looks, throws long. He's got open. A man up the field. Open. Ashunde, a dive. Does he have it? He's got it. What a sensational catch down at the 26-yard line. The little guy did it.
As good a catch as I've ever seen. It's one of those things that you'll never forget because it was just a beautiful night in Norman, Oklahoma. National TV, everybody's watching, and Jayhawks have battled back, and all of a sudden you come down and you're trying to make something happen. And all of a sudden you see him open, you see Mark Williams throw the ball, and you think, oh my God, he overthrew him. I mean, that's the only thing anybody thought about. And then all of a sudden you could almost feel that 76,000 people at one time said, oh my God, he caught him. And all of a sudden we came alive. From that moment on, we knew we'd win that football game.
I knew it was overthrown too, so I just put my head down and started running again. And I looked, and the next time I looked up, the ball was close, so I just jumped for it.
The dramatic catch by Smith left Howard Schnellenberger's faithful seeing double and effectively broke the Sooners back.